Go on. Come on. Ain't you climbing in there? Yeah. Yeah. You want to say anything to anybody on the camera?
Me, Maggie.
Are you sliding in all the snow?
Yeah. Yeah.
How did it go? How did it go, Mags?
I wanted to let another one go.
All right. So we're gonna. Yeah, you're gonna get out and then walk back up there. I'll bring the sled back up for you. All right, go the other way. Go around, Mags, like we were. That's right. What happened?
I fell.
Yeah, you wiped out?
Yeah. Yeah, you do those. Here.
Now I think you're just pretending, huh? All right, here I come with the sled. All right, there you go. You want to climb in and get yourself ready? I'll go back down to the bottom and I'll film you from down at the bottom, okay? So let me get down here first, Megs. All right, come on. You're not ready? All right, here you come. Mary.
Mommy, want to see my snow angels?
Yeah.
Mom, come see my snow angels.
Let's see. Down there? What is this, Brad? The raspberries?
Yeah.
And the raspberries? You look like a raspberry.
Let's see if I can do it.
You gonna make it? You gonna make it all the way? Woohoo!
Mags.
Dad, can I go with you?
You don't want to take Mary
Okay.
down, Brad?
No.
I want to go with you.
It's already recording, so just...
It's recording, Mary. I could look very scary right now. Let's try to focus on the gorgeous baby instead. Wee-hee! Mary's first. Snowfall, although it did snow last week, but this is the most significant. Where are they? Can't see them. There they are. Here comes Daddy and Maggie on Daddy's trail that he made. Woohoo! They're gonna make it all the way to the bottom? Whee! They made it all the way to the bottom. Does he like that? Dee, 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 dee.
Mommy,
Was that good?
I have some
Hot chocolate with marshmallows?
Yes.
All right, why don't you go down the hill again with Daddy, and then I'll meet you in the house. I'll get the water boiling, okay? I think Mary's...
I'm so not I gotta go down to Daddy.
Do you want to go look in Pam and Kevin's backyard?
Yes.
Here, walk up there. Then we'll take one more run on the sled.
Dad, I need to hold me.
Well, no, here you walk. Come on, walk up the track.
Dad, I can't, Dad.
Or do you just want to go in and have hot chocolate?
No, I do want to have hot chocolate.
All right, so we'll just go in then.